Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the APK file and install the Starry AI application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. If you cannot find the Starry AI application on Google Play Store and are unable to install it, then in order to install this, you can also use APK. However, this is not recommended as your install will not be verified by the Google Play Store. However, in order to proceed forward anyway, go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in Starry AI APK in the search box and start the search. Now, from the search results, go through the various links and you will be able to find the APK download link for Starry AI. Just make sure that you are downloading from a verified source and then go ahead and proceed with tapping on the download button. You might see a few advertisements, so go ahead and skip through those. And then once your download is completed, you can open up the APK file and then tap on the install button to install the Starry AI application on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the APK and install the Starry AI application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.